Oh, way to go. From this moment, Domec. Super elegant on the inside, rising up Pegasus Nato Express, Okie Dokie, while Hot Gossip is the early trailer. Pegasus now the leader, Domec from the outside, Super elegant is racing third by Sam Tulangs Nato Express, Okie Dokie from this moment and Hot Gossip. Entering the far turn, Pegasus by a neck, Domec from the outside and Super Elegant is running in turn. Rounding the far turn, Domec by a neck and running down on the inside is Pegasus. Super Elegant, Okie Dokie is running down on the inside. Nato Express had Gasem from this moment as they swing for home. Domec is now the leader. Pegasus down on the inside. Super Elegant is on the outside. Okie Dokie. And hitting the finish line. Super Elegant. Okie Dokie. Pegasus down on the inside. Super Elegant. Okie Dokie on the outside. But still Super Elegant. Okie Dokie. Pegasus. Domec. Hot Gossip from this moment and Nato Express.